So what I want to talk about right now are tanglement. Entanglements, tangles. It's printer spool tangles. This little guy, it spools, it turns, it's a filament, and it gets tangled, and prints get ruined because, well, the thing tangles and it usually breaks off during it, and next thing you know, this is just printing thin air. Thin air does not make good 3D objects. So if you're trying to make something, I made this little turtle. Kind of cool. This one worked. Most of them do work. It goes for a long time and then it tangles. So the little threads get caught under other threads. I looked this up online and the consensus was user error. It's you. It's me. It's not you. Or it's not the maker. But okay, and I'm not above making errors. I make errors all the time, but I'm using it as directed. You put the spool up on top, it plugs in and you print. I mean, I don't know what else there is to do, but I assembled it as directed. I put the spool on, and now this isn't a cheap spool either. Well, it's Amazon Basics. It got high reviews. I was gonna go leave a negative review, but it's like everybody else seems to love it and nobody else seems to mention this problem. So yeah, I kind of think, okay, it's me. But again, I don't know what else to do. I put it on there. Yeah, you're supposed to keep it tight. Well, I do keep it tight, but when it's tight and it has a tangle, then all of a sudden you're definitely gonna have it, break. And next thing you know, your print stopped. I even tried to I saw it. I think I caught it in time during one. I tried to kind of feed it through and it started going out the wrong end. You can't fix it during if it gets tangled. You don't catch it before it pulls. It's too late. That probably didn't help much, but okay, so there are things. This is part one. Part two will be after I use the little kind of extrusion holder. It kind of moves the filament out into space, so it kind of keeps it at more of an angle. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Now the other thing, of course, it just could be that this came from the factory. It's kind of defective in the way that it wasn't spooled properly. Now, if what I read, that's rare. I mean, it can happen, but if it's like 1 in 40, someone said his experience with it, I thought that probably means it's not the case. I mean, what are the chances I got that 1 in 40 spool that was just, messed up when it was spooled? It hasn't been unspooled, and it's just, yeah, I just noticed it messes up. So I'm kind of babbling and rambling about that, but I just kind of want to let you know that it can happen. If people have ideas, if you think I'm just kind of playing with my little turtle toy, I like it. Can't see that. But if you have ideas, if you think, oh, I know exactly what's wrong, let me know. But I just think, I don't know what else to possibly do here. It's assembled exactly as I was supposed to do it. It plugs right in, or it kind of feeds right in. That's it. It's that simple. So we'll try the extra thing. But if it's something that's necessary for it to work properly, then it really should come with the printer. But again, I'm not knocking the printer too much because I do like the printer, but that's been annoying. It's been extremely annoying. It's like, why must you tangle? I'm telling you, I say about, I don't know, 1 in 4 maybe, 1 in 4 prints. So maybe it is this spool. Maybe I should just get another spool and try that. But I hate to lose the spool. It cost me like $20. Guess it's not that much, but still. All right.